Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 9 latest defense updates. Number 1, medium range surface to air missile, an update. The Indian Ministry of Defense has marked a significant milestone in its 2023 year-end review, confirming the successful deployment of the medium range surface to air missile, that is MRSAM system. This air defense system, crucial for safeguarding India's airspace, has been commissioned in 5 firing units and 1 trainer center of the Indian Air Force throughout the year. Next, showcases of NRT Nimbus Tether drone. In a display of cutting-edge Indian technology, the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, witnessed the NRT Nimbus Tether drone during the integrated firepower exercise conducted by the Indian Army at Pokhran on December 23rd. The Tether drone, developed by New Space Research and Technologies, that is NRT, stands as a testament to India's growing prowess in the realm of unmanned aerial vehicles and its commitment to the Make in India Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. Next, IAF launches Project Marut. The Indian Air Force, soaring high in defense of the nation, embarks on a new mission capturing its glorious past for future generations. Project Marut, aptly named after the first indigenously designed fighter jet, seeks to collate, digitize, and archive the IAF's historical records, making them accessible for research and study. Next, PAF is making a strategic shift in its engine procurement plans. Pakistan Air Force eyes Chinese WS-13 engine for JF-17 Thunder jets and drops the idea of having Russian RD-93MA. The JF-17, a joint venture between Pakistan and China, currently relies on the Russian Kilmov RD-93 turbofan engine. To enhance its capabilities, the PAF initially sets its sight on the upgraded RD-93MA engine, but a significant thrust increase compared to its predecessor. However, securing spare parts and maintenance support from Russia proved increasingly difficult, prompting the PAF to re-evaluate its option. Next, bulletproof vehicles for Indian Army in Rajouri and Poonch. The Indian Army has taken a crucial step towards strengthening its border defense in the vulnerable district of Rajouri and Poonch with the deployment of advanced bulletproof Armado vehicles. These armored light specialist vehicles, specially designed for the Indian Armed Forces, aim to enhance troop transportation, safety and mobility in face of heightened security concerns. Next, farewell to ACV 184 and 185. In a pageant ceremony held at Jakhau, Gujarat, the Indian Coast Guard decommissioned its air cushion vehicles, ACVs 184 and 185. These mighty hovercrafts, boasting over 20 years of dedicated service to the nation, were accorded a fitting farewell as they glided into retirement. Next, India and Russia deepen nuclear ties. India and Russia are forging closer bonds in the civilian nuclear sector, with new developments promising a brighter future for clean energy generation. According to sources familiar with the matter, both nations have agreed to expand their cooperation, including the potential transfer of technology for advanced small modular reactors. Next, INS Imphal sails with first female crew, making a historic step towards inclusivity. The Indian Navy is poised to deploy its first warship with dedicated facilities for women. The guided missile destroyer INS Imphal, scheduled for operational deployment in February-March 2024. This move signifies a significant leap forward in securing India's maritime interests with diverse talent. Next, Indian Navy participates in Beypore International Water Fest. The Indian Navy participated in the Beypore International Water Fest 2023 organized by the Kerala government. An official statement said on Friday. INS Kabra of the Southern Naval Command was deployed at Beypore as part of the 4-day event that began on Tuesday and concluded on Friday. Thank you.